Alright, well, this is how to repair a Lenovo V460. I broke an LCD. Okay, first thing you're going to do, take out these things. Alright, check them out, because I'm going to look up the screen number. Next thing you're going to do, take out the bolts. Right screwdriver. Come on. My bolts coming out, which is a problem. I'll pump and dump. Alright, then the next thing you do is tear off this thing, or this frame, I guess. Just fingernail it across, or a screwdriver. Just how full flat screwdrivers, yeah, over here. There you go, see? It's on the outside. Hopefully. I've seen some that are like from the outside, but this is okay. You know, from the inside in, but this will be just tear up from the outside. Just be careful, don't break any clips. You have like half an issue. Okay. Fourth step. I don't know if you're counting steps, but whatever. Keep going. I do these 4 screws here. Around the LCD. I can find the right screwdriver. I don't know. I think the first time I put this, it's now good. Whatever. Come on. In or out. And then you gotta be careful about this, well, when you get all 4 screws out, that there's a LED ribbon running across here to here, and the power ribbon that you have to take out for the LCD is down here. So I already took mine off, but I think I disconnected. No, I just reconnected it up here. So all you gotta do is pop that off, and then basically using a flat screwdriver. You gotta be careful because this ribbon will be attached to the screen. Yeah, this ribbon here will be attached to this screen back here, and then you just pop that off and the whole thing should just come out. Then power ribbon down here, Just a little tiny screw. That's it. Okay. Pop the new one on. Nice shipping from these guys in. That's pretty cool. UPS series. My ribbon cables. Okay. We'll see. You might want to test it before you put the whole thing back together, you know? Make sure everything's working, but just put the 4 screws in when you do it, and the cable. Okay, it's working fine now, so and the cable down there is working just fine. Okay. And so, yeah. There's clips down here too. There's clips all around the screen, so but it's nothing too tedious. Alright, hopefully those screws will just fix those ones in there. Nope. Yeah, it's still some on the outside. Yeah, doing it this way saves you a lot of money. I can tell you right now. I think we're good down here. Hopefully the screws will just reinforce this, but yeah. You see? I don't know. I think we're good.